understeer. Fuck. This just don't have that power. Woo! Woo! Shit! Yeah! Take the Mini Coupe for a real spin. This is the BMW that you need, but everybody sleeps on.
I didn't even know it was made by BMW.
BMW has something to do with the steering because it is like E90 levels of steering. It feels good.
You too.
Mini Coupe.
All right.
You gotta watch out here. That last guy didn't stop. We were going back up the last time.
Oh yeah.
Mini Coupe. Oh yeah. Oh, Cappy ain't making up the hill.
Oh my god.
This thing has no power to make it up the hill. Traction control light going off.
Oh, God.
I think the structure just shot, which is a little sketchy. So
You made it.
You got a green light for the left?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yellow light. Yellow light. All right, we gonna go straight.
Oh my god.
All right. Oh man, this thing is fun. This little thing is like, it's like a go-kart.
It is.
Yeah, it's like a go-kart.
It's like a go-kart.
Undoubtedly BMW. Like I said earlier before we did the 30th take, this thing has the steering. It feels hydraulic, like E90ish. It really does. If you have a single hump E90, this comes straight out of the infotainment system. Is radio thing that's normally down here. That's BMW. You can even code your BMW F Series cars to change to the Mini Cooper sound. You have Rolls-Royce, BMW, and Mini Cooper. So that's freaking cool. I wouldn't want a BMW to have a Mini Cooper sound, but I wouldn't mind if my Mini Cooper had a BMW sound. So we got this thing on Turo actually, where you can rent any kind of car or personal people's cars. This is a 2013. You know, there was no fantastic cars that were available. No Porsche Caymans, like no BMWs that I'd like to rent. It was between this and a 2017 330i. I just drove Eamon's car, got a video out coming soon, his 330i. It wouldn't make no sense, honestly. So I picked the Mini Coupe, you know, small, Jeep, light, $46 a day. Oh, JD, look at that. Bad bitty. Look at that bad bitty. Woo!
That's a good one. That's a goodie. That's a goodie.
Like my man, you overshooting it, bro.
Oh, wow.
Overshooting it, bro. That was not necessary, bro. Let's see if I could legitimately say this is like a BMW right here. Put the seat up a little bit. Nah, we good, we good. Just gotta find second gear. I'm not beating on it, baby.
I know.
Getting a feel for the roads first.
Well, they got your turns that you wanted, for sure.
There we go. Ooh, that's a little bump. Oh. It's dead. It's dead first gear.
Oh my God.
Oh, yo, it's dead. Yo. You literally need first gear for that. What do you think?
Working for what? Think I'm gonna pay myself?
I wish I'd have kept this one on of you. Damn.
Oh, y'all did it.
Huh?
Is it that? Oh,
No, I'm saying I wish I'd have kept it on because you was holding this puppy.
yes, I was. It's on now? Don't worry about it.
He's still
Leave it
bad.
on.
Alright, so I'm going downhill. We don't need that much speed.
You speeding right now.
Baby, alright, baby. Nah, I'm glad I don't got the M4. We'd have never had enough brakes. I'd have never seen them turns being that aggressive. Trying to go one more time. See how good this thing does making U-turns. This is where you get shot. Let me reverse. You don't think so?
Yes, I think so. I wasn't sure exactly what you were doing for the road. I was confident, so
I knew you were gonna say that feels. X7? X7.
Oh, look at it go.
Try to get your reaction going up the joint.
Oh, it's recording. Oh my God.
Hey, understeer. Fuck. This just don't have that power. I ain't gonna wild out. I don't know the roads, baby.
I know what you're
And the car damn sure ain't built for it. Like, well, with the suspension, but he got crummy, crappy struts on here. So you see when the wheels hop, it loses grip. It's kind of scary. You feel it?
Yeah.
You feel how the car just, yeah.
I've been felt it. You're like, my man's in both lanes right now.
You funny.
Find Smokey the Bear out here?
I ain't trying to get smoked out here.
Like, yeah, we still going in this direction.
Save our.
This is wrong turn right here. Can we make the right turn?
Wrong turn, part 4.
Yeah, can we make the right turn? Okay, we made it. Oh, nah. Shaw's Creek Road.
You heard of something like that before?
I'm just saying.
I'm gonna try to pull an e-brake and see what happens, alright? Okay? Bear with me here, okay?
Okay.
That GTR ain't got nothing on Big Daddy Smoke. You see?
Yeah.
Woo!
Why are you trying to race a faster car? It's beyond me.
Go ahead, bro. They all friends too, look.
Yeah, you can tell.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Florentine.
About that beast, though. You don't know about that beast. This is when I wish we did have the beast.
Yeah, we had them before we probably died. Cause we'd have been in the air if we came up around that joint.
I know. Still would have kept going.
Yeah. Yeah, I had no choice. Hold it straight, go.
All the way over there.
That was fun. That was fun. I personally recommend this little thing. It's not that bad. It's a nice car. However, I gotta figure out, does this thing have a turbo on it? Is it one of those 2-pop systems? Like BMWs are typically 2-pop, but not the older ones. So we'll never know if it has a turbo or not. I stopped by the Mini dealership. They closed. I wanted to give you guys a comparison side by side. I think this is the new one. No, this is the John Cooper work. So this one is the souped up one. This is above the S. We got the base. This is an S, and then there's the super, that's the base. This is what we're comparing it to. I like how they did the backs. If you look at it, they have the British flag right here, incorporated in the taillights. We looking a little dead over there. That looks cool though. That looks cool. The first time I actually seen the Mini Coopers in the Italian job. Oh yeah. It was dope. They was driving around in houses, nice, mini, agile, mini. I like it. However, I don't know, baby. If I'm going for the Mini, I think I'm gonna just get the old one. I can't imagine paying like, what, 20 grand these things are? Off. It doesn't look as aggressive as the older one. See, that's the older one. This looks more like a London type, like British car. Yes, it does. You know what I mean? This doesn't look like Americanized like the new ones do. And this is the same one we had. I don't know. I might keep it to the old. I don't say there's a lot. I think I prefer the older one than the newer one. These ones clearly have more power, better technology, CarPlay and everything like that. But what?
Say that again.
What I said that I need to say again. And this right here, the competition. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, somebody took a little spiel on that side. Ooh. Yeah, a little dangly. Dangly. And my man tried to take that corner a little bit spiritedly. So, but this right here, this is what I would say a line up against. Competing, but there's no competition. There's the Golf R. So this is a Volkswagen. I think it looks better. I think the Volkswagen looks better. I do. I've driven a lot of Volkswagens. I've driven the GTI and stuff like that. I don't know. I feel like the Mini Coupe has a more go-kart handling. I feel like the Golf doesn't handle as good. Golf R, the GTI, they platform. You can make a lot of power of them easy. There's not a huge aftermarket for the minis, the coupes, you know? So, I don't know. It's a fun car though. It's a fun, cheap car to have fun in. I wouldn't pay that much more money for it. Baby, we just in the dealership, baby. God damn, look at that. I want to take a look at this 240. So the car that I ordered, the M2, this is the baby version of it.
I can see it.
Yeah, right?
I like the back a lot though.
Yeah, the back reminds me of like SpongeBob when he had that bulked up.
Oh.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Come on, it looks like that. Look at the back. Oh, put in the comment section below because a lot of people are starting to build these M2s. I feel like everybody that just picked up an M2 recently is a YouTuber. So much videos, tons of content out there. Let's get out of here, baby. People looking crazy. No, tons of content out. I don't know. Is it kind of worth it to pick one up? You know, my biggest regrets from going from the M4 to the M2, to be honest with you guys, the lack of the carbon buckets, I wouldn't get them. They only come in black. I can't have that red interior. And believe it or not, the ambient lighting. And I don't know if I want to give up my iDrive 7 just yet, but stick around because we got something else. We got something else in the works that's coming too. It's across the street. You know what I'm saying? That we thinking about building too. I did not expect the Mini to win me over as much as it did. And I didn't even expect to get this thing. $46 a day, manual transmission. You can chuck around and find out. Because I think I was serving them little Volkswagens on the highway today with the hada. We should have caught on camera the Mustang GT. I stood next to a Mustang. I wish I had that on camera. Mike from Slow Speed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Mini Coupe. You got any questions? Don't ask me because I don't know nothing about them. Go ask Mini in Toronto. That's the same color MT-40 I have right there with the wheels. I miss that B58 sound. It sounds so aggressive. Yeah, it sounds aggressive, but that my M340 just sounds like raw. I'll let you hear Jerry's when we go by his house. Okay. Do I stay though? That's the question.
I mean, you know. Why move now? You started something.
Oh, it's yellow. We got room. Here we are.
Yeah, it's red.
Let's see if you want to race.
Race where?
I'm joking. The reason that made me realize, though, think that it wasn't a bad idea is because, see that sign up there? It says you can go either way.
True. Don't say bus only.
See, it doesn't.
And nobody looked at you like you was a train.
Oh, nobody would look at us like we're a train because we're just simply not.
You couldn't just let me
They're gonna look at us like we crazy.
You couldn't just let me have it. All they dogs be running.
Where's our building at? Yo, that's like a big ass version of Leo, yo, like a giant version of Leo, no?
Yeah, his face and everything. Leo. Aww. Yeah, that's definitely a giant version of Leo. That train's so big it can't even catch me.
I'm glad you stopped calling it a bus though.
I'm trying. I think before I say it, honestly.
Where's our building?
I don't know. I'm looking for the little turning thing.
The CN Tower, baby.
CN
Oh, it's right there. So I built. Oh, damn, we done went the wrong way, baby.
You found that building?
Huh?
You found that building?
It's that way. Damn sure this way. Oh no, it is. It is. It is over here.
It is?
Yeah, we on this side of the bridge. Remember the train tracks?
Oh,
we on this side of the bridge.
We were looking at the. Oh.
I was gonna go, but. Let me see if I can hit it from back here. Oh, hit it from back here.
Somebody like you don't know that you know how it ain't gonna be.
You're a damn fool.
I'll never question your skill. Don't start there.
Stupid. Oh yeah, we gotta go back out. I forgot. My bad. My bad, baby Loke.
It's alright. Good looking. Isn't that turn?
You said what?
Oh, this is the turn.
This is the turn. I always know when the turn is because you got the M3 right here.
Oh, yeah.
Can't hate you. Oh yeah.
Is that for real?
Yeah, I know we fully made the right turn when I see the M340 in the cut over here. Where's that? We definitely. Nah, he left. We gotta get back out. We gotta go back out. No.
So we gotta go back out?
Yeah. Say turn the car off quick. Go like this, just go like this. You gotta do it smooth, like.
Oh, yeah, how you my sister?